In this video, we're going to look at how you can enhance your prototypes with the new Maintain Scroll Position After Click setting. Let's start with the design of a typical mobile app, where we've set up different screens across multiple artboards. With prototyping in Sketch, I can link this artboard to another by inserting a hotspot layer. As a tip, you can use the H key to select the hotspot tool. Now, when I preview my prototype, if I click anywhere within this orange area, I will transition to the next artboard. As you can see, the hotspot works and we move to the next artboard, but it's not quite what I'm after. You see, during the transition, I get taken back to the top of this next screen, but looking at my design, I want to show this popover appearing right in the area I click on. Sometimes it's really useful to be sent to the top of the artboard like this, for example, when I click on these tabs to switch between different views. But for this prototype, this isn't what I want. And this is where Maintain Scroll Position After Click is handy. If I go back, select this hotspot and look at the inspector, I can enable the Maintain Scroll Position After Click setting. This stops my artboard resetting its scroll position. Now, let's return to the prototype. Now you can see the effect I was after. This popover appears directly under the area I clicked on, exactly as you'd expect, without scrolling to the top of the artboard. Maintain Scroll Position After Click is useful in lots of different situations. You can use multiple artboards to simulate different states or selections, as well as showing off things like modals or overlays in place. The result is realistic prototypes that you can present to clients or test with users. So that's a quick overview of how to elevate your prototypes with Maintain Scroll Position After Click. Be sure to head to sketch.com to learn more about our prototyping and all of our other features.